Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing what matters. Backup or screenshot your current layout so you can undo if needed. Next, choose a primary screen for daily use and clear distractions there. This becomes your baseline. Once done, enter edit mode by long pressing an empty area or pinching the display and keep one hand free to rearrange icons. Make sure to disable auto-arrange or folder suggestions if you prefer manual control. This prevents the system from undoing your first moves. You now build structure. Create folders for themes like work, social, and utilities by dragging similar apps together. Aim for 3 to 9 items per folder for quick access. Next, add widgets to surfaces where you need live info, resizing them so they don't crowd icons. While arranging, tweak the grid or icon spacing and assign gesture shortcuts. Swipe up for search, double tap for camera, so navigation becomes muscle memory. Make sure each change reduces taps and streamlines. You finish by testing the new layout through real use for a couple of days. Open apps in the sequences you normally do and note friction points, then adjust. Once satisfied, lock the layout or sync settings to the cloud so accidental moves won't erase hours of work. If icons unexpectedly revert, restart the device, check for system updates, and reapply your backup or screenshot to restore the intended arrangement. This quick recovery avoids repeating the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.